Connecting via private endpoint is a secure way to access resources and services over a network. In this guide, we will walk through the steps to connect via private endpoint. First, understand what a private endpoint is. A private endpoint is a network interface that connects a virtual network to a service or resource. It allows you to access the service or resource as if it were on your own network. To connect via private endpoint, you need to create a virtual network and then create a private endpoint within that network. Go to the virtual network settings and click on Private Endpoints, then click on New Private Endpoint. Enter the name and select the resource type you want to connect to. Next, select the resource you want to connect to and configure any additional settings as needed. Then click Create to create the private endpoint. Once the private endpoint is created, you need to configure the DNS settings to point to the private endpoint. This will allow you to access the service or resource using a private IP address. To test the connection, go to the resource or service and verify that you can access it using the private endpoint. Make sure to check the security settings to ensure that the connection is secure. Best practices for connecting via private endpoint include using a secure connection such as HTTPS or SSH and limiting access to the private endpoint to only those who need it. Additionally, make sure to monitor the connection for any security issues and update the DNS settings as needed. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely connect to resources and services using a private endpoint. This will help protect your data and prevent unauthorized access to your network.